Okay students, now let us see how to find out latitude of a place by observing the midday sun. In spring or fall, the sun is directly above the equator. It says that during the month of March and September, the sun rays are vertical over the equator. You can see in this picture, it is written that the sun's declination is 0, and at that time the latitude is simply the complement of the angle of elevation of the sun. Now what is sun's declination? First we'll see. Sun's declination is nothing but, you can see in the picture, an angle formed between a line joining the center of the sun and the center of the earth and the equator line. This angle is nothing but sun's declination. And the next line says that at that time the latitude is simply the complement of the angle of elevation of the sun. It says that during the month of March and September, the sun rays are vertically over the equator. That means the line which is joining the center of the earth and the sun and the equator line will come in the same position. That way, that is, they will coincide with each other, so the angle becomes 0, right? So in this picture you can see, the big picture I'm talking about, theta is nothing but latitude, E is the angle of elevation of the sun, right? You simply find out and write over there, theta plus E is nothing but 90 degree, right? And if you want to find out theta, that is the latitude of a place, simply subtract angle E, that is the sun's elevation, from 90 degree. You will get the latitude of a place, right? Now how it is done, I'll explain again. Draw a line AB, right? You can see over there, AC is the equator line and XD is the sun's rays, you can say, or the line of observation of the sun, right? Now observe that angle BXD is equal to angle BAC, right? You can see that theta and theta is same, right? But in reality we cannot draw a line from the center of the earth, right? So what we need to first find out is the angle of elevation of the sun. Now how this is very simple method. Say a person is standing on the earth and he looks at the sun, right? In this picture you can see I have made a small drawing over there, and that person is looking at the sun. Imagine, right? You will see that I have drawn a line parallel to the earth near his eyes, okay, and there is an angle formed between the parallel line and the line of observation of the sun. That is nothing but the angle of elevation, okay. This is how we can find out the angle of elevation, and when we get the angle of elevation, simply substitute in that formula, you will get the latitude of a place. You know how this person stands? See, B and A. So this B and A, try to imagine that the person is standing in the main picture where B, or the head is pointing towards the B and the legs are pointing towards the A in the main picture where earth is there. X, D, right? And E is nothing but the angle of elevation, and this is the latitude, right? So this is how we can find out the latitude of a place by observing the midday sun.